What is salt water? Hi, I'm Miss Amy. Today's fun fact is, what is salt water?
Welcome to Fun Facts. We're bringing you real facts about real people, places, animals, and science every Monday and Wednesday.
Have you ever wondered why oceans are made up of a different kind of water than rivers, lakes, and, well, the water we drink? I did some research to find out why. Oceans contain salt water, but how did they get that way? To learn about that, we need to think about the water cycle. Heat from the sun and Earth's gravity keep water constantly moving around on Earth. Water vapor, as gas, evaporates and turns into the clouds in the sky. And then the water drops collect and rain back down to the ground. That rain falls onto land as fresh water. It takes another step for the water to get salty. As rainwater flows through rivers on its way to the ocean, the water starts to erode or wipe away the rocks and soil around it. This erosion causes a small amount of salt and minerals that are on the rocks and soil to dissolve into the water and continue with it downstream towards the ocean. So that salt and other minerals gets mixed into the ocean. And while the water part of the ocean evaporates back up into the clouds to then rain back down onto land to start the water cycle process all over again, the salt part stays in the ocean. In lakes and rivers, there is enough rain and natural movement that the water turns over pretty regularly, so the salt never really sticks around. But in the oceans, the salt pretty much stays there for millions of years. Over time, ocean water has stayed salty. There's another way ocean water receives some salt, which is also pretty cool. Some ocean salts come from underwater volcanic eruptions, which directly release minerals such as salt into the ocean. We don't live near an ocean, but hopefully one day you will get to feel and smell the difference of ocean water and think about how it became the way it is. If you want to learn more about the water cycle and body of water, check out some of these great books. Oceans. Splash, learn about water. And A Drop of Water. Links to the books will be in the description below. Thanks for watching.